Hello, my name is Ed Scott, CEO of AxellONline LLC. Today's topic, Google Authorship Markup. Please visit us at AxellApps.com, AxellOnline.com, and learn WordpressOnline.com. So, Google Authorship Markup. What is it? We'll discuss that in just a few minutes. We'll also provide a case study on authorship, some before and after markup, and how to get step-by-step training. So let's get to it right away. So what exactly is Google Authorship Markup? I will demonstrate that to you by going to a website, Learn WordPress Online, which is one of my websites. And as you can see here that this is learnwordpressonline.com. By the way, just to let you know, I am incognito in this browser session, so you can see there's no trickery that I'm doing to pull this up. This is just the way this comes up because of some SEO work that we've done for learnwordpressonline.com. But this is what Google Authorship Markup will allow you to do. It allows your picture to show up in the search results, thereby giving you a little bit more exposure over the other listings. Okay, so that's phenomenal. And let's go over to the case study that we're going to take a look at. So today we're going to look at, I'm still incognito, as you can see here is Invisalign. And if you join me on one of my other videos, you've noticed that we've looked at Invisalign, Washington, D.C. And again, this is one of the websites that we created for an orthodontist in Washington, D.C. This is InvisalignWashingtonDC.net. And I'm going to go ahead and open this in a new tab so that you can see this is the website that we created. There's the Axell, powered by Axell Apps. And so we actually created this website for this dentist. By the way, she's getting leads from this website. So this is coming up to be pretty good for her. Now, I'm going to show you how we're going to add her image here. But before I do that, I want you to check out this tool. This is called Rich Snippets Testing Tool. And you can go to Google, Rich Snippets Testing Tool. Go there, and then what I want you to do is open this up. And all you have to do is place in the URL. So let me go ahead and grab the URL. And now we're going to go ahead and place it right here. And we're going to do a preview. So what this is showing us is there's no markup right now currently on this site. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed to add the markup so that it will appear in the search results, as you can see from Learn WordPress Online, just like this. So we're going to do that, and I'll be right back. First of all, let me go ahead and give you the date and time. And I'm going to set this up so it's going to be date and time, give you the current date and time so you can see exactly what we're dealing with here. So today it is, I'm not in Kansas, I am in New York today, just by chance of what I'm doing right now. So here, the home location is not in New York. It's going to be in the It's going to be in United States, in New York. So let's choose that time and change it so that we know the exact time. Okay, so it's 9:07 where I am right now. All right, so and Monday the 5th. Okay, so let's get started with this. I'm going to go ahead and add some markup to the site. I'm going to add it to this site. And check out the follow us here. We're going to be modifying that. And the Rich Snippets Testing Tool does not show in the markup right now. As opposed to this, let me show you this. If I show you Learn WordPress Online, here, let me show you this. Open this up in a new tab. And you can see that this has markup on it that I added to the site. So here, we're going to preview that. So as you can see, this is how it's how it comes over. So I'm going to show you that here in just a minute, and for Invisalign, Washington, D.C. Okay, so we'll have that all set up for you, and then training to be provided on how to do it yourself. Okay, hold on, we'll be right back. Now we're going to continue with our video and case study about Invisalign, Washington, DC.net. As you can see here, I have gone to dinner, have come home, and let's just take the date and time here is now it is now 11:15 p.m. As you can see, still in New York, and just refresh that page there so you can take a look at that. Okay, very good. Now I haven't been working on this all of this time. I had to take a couple of phone calls and tend to some family business. However, nevertheless, I do want to share with you our results and what we're doing. So one of the things that we can test this out by going to the rich snippets testing tool, and that's what we're looking at here. And just to let you know how to get there, let's get back to Google so we can show you this. So google.com. I'm still in incognito mode, so you can see I'm not doing anything funky there. So it's rich snippets testing tool is what you want to use, and it's one by the Google webmasters here. So you're going to go there, and I'm just going to paste in. And if you recall in the previous URL that we had no markup, so I've gone on. Let me just grab this URL and paste it in. So now you can see we have the markup completed. And it shows the picture of Dr. Willis, and she is a dentist, an orthodontist in Washington, D.C., and everything is set to go. Now, in the Google search results, what you're going to find here, let me go back, and I'll refresh this page here. It's going to take Google some time to get that profile indexed, but the next time we check in, maybe we'll check tomorrow morning and see if that image will start to show here. And it will, as we can see that the markup is now complete and we're ready to go. So that's it. If you want to learn how to do this, please stay tuned. Check out learnwordpressonline.com to get more information on how to do this, as well as in the next few minutes here, you will be able to get access to a link to get training on how to create your very own Google authorship markup on your WordPress website. Now this is a WordPress website. If you didn't know, you know this is learnwordpressonline.com. So this is a WordPress website that is ranking #1 on Google for very high profitable keyword phrase here for Invisalign, Washington, D.C. All right, our final video for our case study on Invisalign, Washington, D.C.net, where we're adding a Google authorship markup. So first, let's just check our date and time. As we can see here, to current time, it is Monday, August 12th, and I think we started this a week ago. So it has taken about 7 days for Google to index the code on the site. So let's take a look at our results. So we're going to type in Invisalign, Washington, D.C. And we can see here that this is the site right here, Dr. Lena Willis, and this is her picture. I updated from the previous video, so the other picture that you saw in the other video, we updated it. So this is the one that she wanted to use. So as you can see, that we have results right here, and she is, as you can see, above the places in terms of ranking on Google. And her picture is right there. Very nice. And there's only 2 people who have pictures on this search results page, Dr. Willis and this other gentleman down here, who someone has the ability to do that. But you can see how that stands out. So we're expecting this to generate more traffic for her, create more sales for her, and that she will benefit from adding this Google authorship markup code to her WordPress website. And once again, if we go over and take a look at the site, you can clearly see that this is a WordPress website, and it's one that was created by us and our company, and this is AxellApps.com, powered by. This is one of our other sites. Instead of learnwordpressonline.com, we have AxellApps.com also. Well, thank you very much for tuning in and watching this case study. We hope that you will want to learn how to do this, and check out a link on the video or check out learnwordpressonline.com. So just to recap on the Google Authorship Markup presentation, we looked at what is it, how does it look. We also looked at a case study on authorship. We provided some before and after demonstrations on what the markup looks like and how it renders in the Google search results. Now, how to get step-by-step training. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, and share us on Facebook. Check us out on Google+. And to get training, head over to learnwordpressonline.com and register for the Google Authorship Training Program. We appreciate your time and thank you so much. This is Ed Scott saying, have a good day.